Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the filament in the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. I repeat, I'm going to show you how to change the filament in this Centauri Carbon 3D printer. So step number one, what you need to do is you need to go down to the display here. Please bear with me, there's going to be a tiny bit of reflection. What we need to do then is click the settings tab right there, and you need to go over to the extruder tab, and then what you need to do is click on unload. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through these series of process. It says it just cut the filament, and again you can kind of watch it, it's going to do all of this, and then what it's going to do is it's going to unload the filament, and then it's just going to be unload completed. So we're just going to give this a second to do that. It'll take the machine just 20 seconds to do this. We're hanging out in the 3D printing studio. I got a bunch of 3D printers I'm doing videos on, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. We got the A1 pumping out the boo-boo faces over here. Don't even ask. Let's see if it's done yet. Okay, so it says, yeah. So what you should be able to do now is take your filament roll, and you should just be able to kind of twist it. All right, so that's what we're going to do, is just kind of twist it out, and now we are going to switch the colors. So I'm going to go over to the filament rack, and I'm going to choose a different color for our next print. What I actually need is white PLA. So what is this here? This is white PLA. It's actually Elegoo as well. So what we're gonna do here is bring your new filament roll, or the color that you're changing to, put it on the spool holder, then grab the end here, make sure it's not tangled, and then we're going to start feeding it into the PTFE tube here. So, sorry, that's a bad angle. What you need to do here is just kind of start feeding it. And I kind of have realized that what you need to do is continue to feed it. What happens though is the filament a lot of times, let's make sure this camera catches this good. What happens sometimes is the filament gets caught in this turn right here. I'm hoping Elegoo might fix that with some time, but we're gonna just continue to feed this. Let's move this back a little bit. The camera is just too far forward. So just continue to feed this, and you'll kind of see when the filament hits that turn, you're gonna have to kind of give it some more oomph, if you know what I mean. Okay, and then I can see this has completely hit the end here, and what I like to do is take a visual of here and make sure the filament went all the way down into the machine, because what has happened here is I've sat here and tried to put the filament in, and it stops because it's stuck up here. You need to push it through there, and then the next step, what you need to do is click on the load button. And it's going to go through these series of steps. It's going to heat up the nozzle, load the filament, grab the filament, and then the loading is complete. So it's going to do all of that on its own. We'll just give this a minute here. All right, so it's finished most of the process here. Now it's just loading it. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, here's the next prompt. It says, click completed if the filament is extruded. If not, please push forward and click retry. So what you need to do there is kind of watch to make sure that it's extruding. And sometimes what you can do is look at your poop, because it'll just throw one in the back. But then when you're done here, just click completed. And that's essentially how to change the filament on the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Really loving this machine. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. What I'm trying to say is if you like 3D printing, you're gonna really like this channel. So please subscribe.